DJ Jambs.
That girl is
I'm gonna wipe this whole section. I don't know if y'all remember when I was telling y'all about the color primers that I was using, but if you look right there, you can see the 3 layers. You got this layer right here that I've already block sanded. You see a darker gray, and then you see that black. So that dark gray is the epoxy, and then the black is the actual door. So that was the reason I used that gray primer underneath instead of black epoxy like I normally use, because I wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the epoxy primer and the door when I cut through. So I'm almost done with this door. I got the middle section and the bottom section. Just got to get that body line right there and then the top section. And we should be good to go. Now on this door over here, I don't know, man. I mean, I got it blocked. It didn't show any low spots except for this damaged area that I repaired. But I think I still might kind of see some wave, you know. Maybe that was just water sitting on. Let me look. Because I did this and I still saw some waves. I still got to go one more round of block with the 320, but I wanted to make sure it's still, I mean, it's not waving. I think it went away. It might have just been the water sitting up on there. I don't know. I can't see it. But I'll double check it again. I'll wet it down and see. Because if I see some waves still, what I'll probably end up having to do is just put a skim coat of primer. It was just in this front section right here by where the mirror mounts. So if I have to, I'll just put a skim coat of body filler and then block that down. But other than that, this though came out pretty good, and the other one came out even better because I didn't have no damage that I had to fix. So let's get back to it.
It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's
Can't believe this shit,
hard for
man.
me to find. Miss her, kiss her, love her.
DJ Jambs.
That girl is
This thing on. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Penny LS1 checking in real quick. Hope y'all enjoyed that intro monologue. So as you can see, I did some paint work this weekend. Got the doors painted, the deck lid, underside. So pretty much all the jambs on the car are painted. So I just actually put the trunk back on the car because I didn't have room in here to store it flat. I left it outside overnight. Luckily the weather held up. It was 99 degrees, y'all, while I was painting. Probably too hot to be painting, and I'll show you a couple of mess ups. It was hot, but it turned out decent. Okay, so disclaimer, I am not a painter. I know a couple of guys keep asking me. No, I'm not. I've never painted a car. This is the first time I've ever actually sprayed paint on a body panel. The only time I ever sprayed any car part was when my uncle painted my Honda Civic. He let me paint the front chin spoiler. He didn't let me touch any of the body panel. So this is the first time I've ever painted a body panel. So pretty much teaching myself, going along with all the years of being around my uncle, you know, and just watching YouTube. So I'm gonna take you in the back real quick. I'm gonna show you the deck lid. I got it mounted on. I put the new key lock in, put the latch on. I forgot to paint the bolts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a white paint pen and just paint them on the car, because I had already prepped them for paint. I just forgot to paint them when I was painting everything. And I'm not taking that trunk back off because I put it on by myself. As you know, it's hard to get it on straight. So we got that on. The next step is I still have to paint the door jamb on the car, the part where I had the seam seal that was cracking. I still have to spray that. So we'll do that sometime this week. And then once that cures, along with the doors, because I'm letting these doors sit for about a week before I even try to put the parts back in them. Once they cure, I'm gonna put all the internals back in, and then we'll hang them back on the car. But as far as the internals go, I am gonna clean those up. I'm gonna soak them in some rust remover or rust dissolver. I got a big plastic tub. I'm gonna put everything in there and just put about 2 gallons of rust dissolver in there and just let it do its work. And then I'll probably paint them either, you know, cast aluminum or maybe satin black, And of course, I'm gonna have to re-grease all the tracks. So once that's done, the door should be cured, and we'll go ahead and reassemble everything, put the doors back on the car, get the doors adjusted, adjust the fenders. We'll be able to put the hood back on, and at that point, we'll be ready to wet sand the car and get it ready for a final stage and get ready to paint the vehicle. And then we'll be able to pull it out and be in these streets. So let me take you around back and show you the deck lid, and I'll give you a close-up of the doors. All right, as you can see, the deck lid is on. Like I said, I went ahead and put the lock back in as well as the latch, so it's closed. So it will stay closed. So a couple things I wanted to point out on this deck lid. I don't know what it was. I don't know if I had a reaction of some sort or if it was just because it was hot. It was 99 degrees, so it had to be well over 100 inside the paint booth. But got a super dry spot right here. See if you can hear it. So that, and then these center sections right here, this one's kind of dry. This one's not so dry, but they all have texture. See, this one's even smooth, but it still has texture. I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna end up putting some sound deadening back in there. As you know, that's what was on there, but that's why I don't have the stickers, because when I pulled the sound deadening off, the stickers were destroyed. So, but like I said, I did forget to paint the latch. That'll be easy I can just take this off and paint it. Also, I'm gonna paint this little bracket right here that holds the lock in. As far as the bolts, I'm just gonna get a paint pen, and we'll just touch these up on the vehicle. I'm not gonna try to take the trunk back off just to paint those, so we'll do that. And so let's take a look at the passenger side door. It turned out okay. Like I say, I'm not a painter, so it's not gonna be perfect. I know some of y'all think I'm a painter. A couple of y'all think I'm telling stories about painting before. This is the first time I'm ever painting anything on the car. Like I said, other than that chin spoiler that my uncle let me paint. So you can see the pearl right there. See how it looks silver on the side, but it's white up top. So it's got a mixture of silver and white pearls and metallics. Now, when I painted this, I was intentionally not trying to get full coverage on the center section, obviously because the door panel will cover that. So there's some texture here because that's mostly overspray, and then it's got some clear coat overspray as well. But I did make sure to get all the edges all the way around, because I think the door trim comes up to about right there. So you'll see this much, and of course you'll see all of that. So let's go look at the driver's side. I've actually already got the door panel on that one. So I put the lower door panel on just to see how it would look up against that white. And I might say, because like I said, I was going to change the color of the interior, but looking at that, how that looks on that pearl, I think I'm going to keep that. And I'm still on the fence though of replacing this lower door trim panel with the aftermarket one so that I can put speakers right here. But, or is it right here? Oh, they go right here. This is the front, yeah. But I don't like, so far the ones I've seen, I think they're, if I'm not mistaken, they're all made by the same manufacturer, but they don't seem to be the same type of plastic material. This is almost a plastic rubber, whereas the ones I've seen in the aftermarket, they're a really light, thin plastic. So all I'm gonna do is just clean this up, and I'm gonna repaint it. The only area that needs to be fixed is this right here, which I can probably fix with some fiberglass, but I may not even worry about it. We'll see. Wait, is this the right door? This is the wrong door, actually. I think this is the passenger side door. That is the passenger side door. I thought this was the driver door. But anyway, so like I said, I'm probably gonna keep these stock lowers. I do need new uppers door trim panels because I threw those out. They were, if y'all don't know though, all they are cardboard. So water gets in there or moisture and the cardboard gets destroyed. So I threw those out. I'll just get brand new ones. And I'm gonna still, like I say, stick with the factory gray, and I'll get the velour instead of the vinyl. Mine came with the velour instead of vinyl, so I'm gonna keep that. So not too bad. Y'all tap down in the comments, let me know what y'all think for a homegrown novice painter. Like I say, I'm not a professional by any means, but not half bad if I do say so myself. And it looks good because I finished putting the lighting up. I know I had mentioned that in one of my last videos. I had just this side up. So I got 6 over this side. So that's 2 going across the front right there. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's 2 back there. And then, oh, I'm pointing the camera the wrong way. 2 back there. And then going across the back, that's a new set. So I got 1 there, 2 there, 3, 4 there, 5, 6. Is it 6 or 7? It's supposed to be 7. I got an extra one somewhere, and I know I put the last one right here above my workstation that I also just got that in the other day and put that together. So now I got somewhere to work, so I don't have to be on the floor all the time. So, like I say, all the door panels, I mean all the jambs are painted on all body panels. There's a hood, and I should just have to finish this right here. It's already prepped. I just need to get it all wet sanded, and then I can go ahead and blend that in and re-clear the jam, and we'll be good to go. Man, that looks good, don't it? Y'all tap down, tell me what you think. Not bad, not bad. Man, y'all see I just started sweating that quick? I ain't been out here 5 minutes. But tap down, let me know what y'all think about the paint color. And one question, I'm trying to decide what color stripes. So y'all let me know. I'm not going gold wheels, so no gold stripes, but let me know if I should get the ones that came on the white cars. I believe were red, white, and I believe silver. That's what color came on the white cars, I believe. Well, some of them, because the stripes on here were black, red, and dark red or something like that, maroon and red. I don't know if that's gonna look good on here. The ones that I'm actually eyeballing is the orange and maroon. The orange and maroon stripes, but the decal will be red. I think you can get them orange or red, but if I go orange and maroon stripes, I want the decals to be red. But tap down, let me know what y'all think I should go as far as the color scheme on the stripes. The interior, like I say, will remain stock gray. The wheels that I have currently on here are the N90 17s. They're silver with the polish, almost like a polished lip around the edge. So when I get my aftermarket wheels, that's what I'm gonna stick with the silver face with polished wheels, polished lip, and I'm probably gonna get a step lip because I like that look on old school. So let me know what y'all think as far as the stripes. What color should I go with the stripes? But I'm gonna show you the wheels in case you haven't seen them, because some of y'all haven't seen the wheels. So like I said, these are just the year 1 17-inch replicas. Not too bad. But my aftermarket wheel, I already got a tire, so in case y'all were wondering, that's what I'm going with right there. That's the size. But let me know what y'all think as far as the stripes go. Give me some opinions. Like I say, I'm not putting gold wheels. I thought about putting like some copper, maybe some like a penny color wheel. I don't know, but I don't know. Probably not. This color, the gold wheels are just kind of take from the car, because if you put gold wheels on it, in my opinion, that makes the car. I'm just being honest. The reason I picked this color is because of the uniqueness of the color, and you don't have to put flashy wheels on it. They look good though, because like I said, I thought about putting the copper wheels, like my penny LS1, but I didn't want to have to put gold or copper stripes. That was the only reason I'm not going to go with the copper wheels. So silver wheels. I want the car to stand out on its own, and the wheels will just kind of complement the car, if you get what I'm saying. And I'm not going super big anyway. I'm only going to go with a 21-inch wheel. So tap down below, let me know what y'all think about the stripes. What color should I go with? And what colors, if I do decide to do any color other than silver on the wheels, what color y'all think will look best? So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I'm dropping some new videos. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok at PennyLS1. I'm steady grinding, boy. It's 99 degrees in Texas and we hot. Until next time, PennyLS1, holla at your boy.
Lucas.